Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to create your base data analyze project on the stream list. So you see guys here how it's easy and how to using some random numbers to analyze your data. So do you want to become a best data science? Do you want to become a best data analyst? So this course guys for you how to start and how to code so easy to analyze or to learning become a data analyst and to learning to become a data science. You are going to create your first app in Python language. I'm going to show you. You are going to use, and you see, we will just using some random numbers here, and then we get this one. You see, index we got 3,000. I sorry, 308, and then value. You see 1 trillion. So this is the value, and then also you see here there is some different like colors or index or value of colors here. You see you because I giving some random numbers, so it's get here, and you are going to use to become like this. And look guys, I'm going to show you something amazing. And even look, I just giving the name of the map, and then that give me uh, like this one. It's so easy to using the map. And from here you see you giving the zoom, you can see, you see you can use them and it's working, everything worked perfect, and you can see all around the world. uh, you can go through, you see, and even you can zoom it and to see it in the Mali. You see how it's working data analyze to become a in 2024. You going to look guys, just giving the numbers, random numbers. You see how it's look. uh, Data analyze with a Python. So I'm using this is already this tutorial you already guys learning. If you are guys new here, go to learning. Let's go to use some kind of random numbers and then to see our code. Going to sharing a code, you are going to see it. Okay, so this one tutorial we are going to learning in next tutorial, but now we are here. So displaying the chart and with a is the assistant to help you. As you know, I give him the uh, our navigation here. No, and then I'm using here area chart, the random numbers. I give him the 1,002/4, and then let's give to bar chart. Okay, bar chart, let's giving random. Okay, up dot uh, random run running. And so here let's get to the values. Okay, let's see 4,000 over 30 line chart. Let's say using here line guys line chart, but let's also to use here line chart. Okay, nav dot run dom dot run. Yeah. And here let's to give uh 5,000 over 50. Okay, map we already seen, or we want to also give in the nav. Okay, nav dot okay random dot run. Let's give the map. Okay, 10,000 over us to run and to see if we get the best data analyze. So we using this application only in this code. You see, this, you don't need to how to using CSS. You don't need how to using front end. You don't need anything. You just start to build your app. That's it. Because Python is the easiest language I taught you, and to build your websites in your next project in very few uh, minutes or few codes, you are going to create your best project. Let's save and go to see on the browser. Okay, guys, I'm going to share. Okay, because guys, I'm using a very big data, so it's uploading. Just wait. What's going to Okay, I'm going to guys to share you. You are going to see. I'm sure you are going to be surprised. Look, guys, wow! See, guys, how it looks amazing. Look, look, wow! You see how it's data analyze. You're going to build your dreams. This is the app that you are going to use. So here in the final the map, because you see guys, we using in the latitude, we have to use some latitude and then altitude. So let's go to change some random numbers. Okay, let's save to in the map. We don't need. Just me guys, you are going to see because we don't need to map. Okay, it's uploading. Just 1 minute. File is going to be complete because I'm using very huge random numbers. So because it will take time to to upload. Okay. Yes, now it's working. So guys, in this way, how to analyze your data, and I'm looking forward to showing you so many things, and you're going to learn it. Bye for now.